You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You are my sweet.
Wamada, tell me what to do. Wee, wee, wee. Wamada, wee. Wee.
Dun dun
Wee.
dun dun
Wee.
dun dun
Wee. Cello.
Hi! Hi!
This is a work of
Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs?
Feeling so good today. Ooh. I still feel good cause nobody saw me fall.
Ooh, you got me a new bed. It looks so soft and comfy. Whoop. Come on, Jackie. You know I can't jump that high.
I need a break!
My mom is very mad at me. She took me on a nice relaxing walk around the neighborhood, and towards the end of our route we passed my favorite pond. To my surprise there were ducks in the water, so naturally I needed to go in and swim with them. I ran as fast as I could and jumped in with full force. It's not my fault that my dumbass mom thought she could outstrength me. I just took her in with me. I never caught up with the ducks, but at least I got to swim with my mom. I could tell she was angry on the walk home. She told me we would never walk near the pond again. When we got home my tummy started to rumble. I think I swallowed too much pond water. I accidentally shit all over her favorite rug with explosive diarrhea. I thought I just needed to fart, but my asshole had other plans.
Hast du lang angegriffen?
Oi. Who fought? Stop messing with him.
Look!
Love you. I love you.
That was a good
I
one.
love you. Come back down here. Come back down here. Oh, God. Come back down here. Hey, come on. Come finish your bath. No, not in the mouth.
Introducing the most dramatic dog breed in the world. The Husky, a medium to large-sized dog breed originating from Siberia, presents a captivating combination of physical features and a distinct personality. Sporting a strong and athletic build, Huskies are covered in a thick double coat that serves as insulation against extreme cold. Their erect, triangular ears, bushy tails, and facial markings contribute to their iconic appearance. One of the most striking aspects of Huskies is their eyes, which are often blue or multicolored, adding to their allure. Beyond their visual appeal, Huskies are known for their friendly and outgoing nature. They exhibit a social temperament, making them not only beautiful, but also engaging companions. Historically, Huskies have been utilized for sled pulling, showcasing their endurance and strength in challenging environments. This background speaks to their adaptability and working abilities.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Passy at me? Oh, honey, there are nicer ways to get mommy's attention. I'll tell you what, I can't even be mad though. That throw was impressive. I'll sign you up for softball the second you can call.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Who do you love?
I love you.
Well, why don't you show it sometimes?
I do love you.
Well, when the last time I got doggy toys?
I love you.
That's not enough. I told you I didn't want to be on your TikTok or your Instagram. You're not making fun. Let me move this up. You still over there? Yeah, you still over there filming me. I don't want to be on none of your social media posts. I don't want people laughing at me. I don't want Rockstar making fun of me or none of that. You know what? Get that camera out of my face. I told you I don't want to be seen on your camera. Poke the bear, you go get the claws. I'm telling you right now. Poke the bear, you go get the claws. Stop messing with me like that. Leave me alone and turn that camera off. Stop touching my feet. Stop. You know what? You better stop touching my feet. You know what? I'm out of here. I told you stop. I love you, Ball. And I don't care how dirty you get from the dirt and the grass and the dirt and the dirt and all the dirt. I just love you. You know. Okay, you know my feet ticklish.
I know, it's so
Let me see, what you doing down here? You putting the shoe on?
Yeah.
Your hair smell good.
Who are you? What
Meow, not ever! Get the hell out of here!
Silent night. Holy night.
I hear you.
Oh.
All is calm. All is bright. Round your virgin mother and child. I want it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Go eat your food.
No, I want yours.
No.
I want to have some sausage and eggs.
Go eat your...
I'm not eating that. I'm eating that.
Go eat your food.
I'm not.
Get down.
No, it's my turn to sit with Daddy.
No, it ain't.
You go sit with Mama.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Boy.
No.
Go.
I ain't going.
Go.
No.
You really do that?
I ain't did nothing. He just lying.
I said you rub your on my headrest.
Leave.
You do. You lift your tail up.
Oh, you lying.
No, you lift your tail up and you rub your butt on the
I
headrest.
can't do that.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
I can.
You're not supposed
Yes,
to.
I can.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
I'm sorry.
You're not.
Sorry.
Oh, your bed is so hard. I can't even sleep on this. It's so rough. Oh, this ain't typical heating, and this is rough as I can't.
Rough, you done made me curse. You better lay down.
I'm going to sleep.
Hey.
Ha.
Hey.
Ha. Crazy dog, come here.
Y'all, so we got
Why are you filming it?
we got Poppy some new clothes. I think this is going to be his Halloween outfit. Hold on, let me put on the accessories. Hold on.
What the hell is this supposed to be? You got me in overalls. It look like I got a cast on my left and I got a James Brown wig on. I ain't gonna get no treats in this. I love you, pretty kitty. And you don't have to say a word, because I can tell by that look on your face, girl, you love me too. We gonna have such a beautiful life together. We gonna have a little litter of babies. We gonna call them puppy cats. Look what I got.
Oh my goodness, breakfast biscuit.
Yo, hold on, wait a second. Dear Lord, thank you for this breakfast biscuit I'm about to eat. Amen. Really, dude? Really? That's how you go at? Man, cut all that out. You ain't even mad. Come on, let's go outside and play. You know you want to go outside?
Whisper.
What? I'm whispering.
Good job, whisper.
I'm whispering.
Good